Hey you guys, here about to start the contest. My talent is skateboarding. It's for Anthony Barber, YouTube Barber Academy. Eddie, come on you guys, let's make this thing fun. All right, I'm gonna be doing a 360 kickflip, better known as a tray flip. All right, here we go. You see that head? Actually, I think I'll be able to do 2 back to back.
Eventually.
I couldn't do it. I messed up my wrist.
Meanwhile, 2 hours later.
Second talent. This is parkour. This is for YouTube Barber Academy and Anthony Barber. Here we go.
One hour later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Eventually.
Parkour. YouTube Barber Academy, Anthony Barber. Here we go. I said I wasn't gonna do it, but I gotta do it. Oh. I'm gonna do this.
A few inches later.
I got it. Parkour.
3:28 a.m.
My work here is done. Got no more talent. Parkour out. Oh yeah. Almost forgot. Stay safe.